Hey everyone, my name is Nicole, and it's been a year since I've shared anything here. Not because I gave up, but because I needed to go inward. There's been a lot of healing, quiet, unseen, and sacred. Growth that didn't look like much from the outside, but changed everything on the inside. And now, I'm back. Not because I figured it all out, but because I'm done hiding. I'm stepping into my teacher training practicum, and if I'm being honest, I'm nervous. But I'm also ready to show up, not as someone who has all the answers, but as someone who's still learning, still softening, still rising. If you are in a season of coming home to yourself, to your breath, your body, your truth, maybe we walk this part together. No pressure to be perfect, no need to rush the unfolding, just a gentle invitation to begin again. So here I am, beginning again. And wherever you are, however you are showing up today, I welcome you. Let's breathe together. Let's heal together. Let's remember who we are.